For the task, two friends Halim and Ina are antique money collectors. Solve the following problem based on their antique collections. Both Halim and Ina has the same number of antique ringgit notes. Halim had a number of 5 ringgit notes and 64 1 ringgit notes. These notes had a mass of 9.45 grams. Ina had a number of 5 ringgit notes and 104 1 ringgit notes. Both of Halim and Ina have the same number of ringgit notes. The total mass of Halim's ringgit notes is 9.45 grams. Halim's 1 ringgit notes is 64. Meanwhile, Ina's 1 ringgit notes is 104. The number of 5 ringgit notes for both Halim and Ina are not given.
Question A. Who has more money in notes and by how much? Let's say X is a number of Halim's RM5 note and Y is Ina's, since we do not know the answer. From the question, we can say that Halim and Ina has the same number of notes, therefore we can write it as. Let's figure out the value of X first. Assume that Y equals to 1, then we write the previous equation like this without including the RM1 notes. After that, substitute 1 into the equation. Therefore, you will get X equal to 41. Now, by combining all of the information, we can see that the number of Halim's RM5 note is 41 while Ina's is 1. So, in order to get the total notes of Halim and Ina RM notes, we can do the additions. Therefore, Halim and Ina has the same number of RM notes, which is 105 notes. Using the first equation we have written, we can identify the amount of money in notes for Halim and Ina. Therefore, Halim has more money in notes by RM 160 compared to Ina.
So for question B, given that RM5 notes is 0.024 more heavier than RM1 note, so we assume that mass of RM1 notes as X and mass of RM5 note as 0.024 plus X. We can use mass of Halim's note, which is 9.45 gram. We used amounts Halim's notes to find value of X. So 64 multiplied with X plus 41 multiplied with 0.024 plus X equal 9.45. So we solve the equation and we can get X equal to 0.08 gram. After we get value of X, we can find mass of RM5 note. 0.08 plus 0.024 gram, and the mass of RM5 note is 0.104 gram. Then we just use value of mass of RM1 note and mass of RM5 note in Ina's notes to find mass Ina's notes. So 104 multiplied with 0.08 plus 1 multiplied with 0.104 equal to 8.42 gram. So mass Ina's notes is 8.42 gram.